Hi, welcome to BOWWE. We're excited to see you here. In this tutorial, we'll show you the basics of the BOWWE Builder and reveal the secret of building a website without coding. Learn the fundamentals that you can apply to all sorts of projects available in BOWWE and create a website that truly represents you. Pages created in BOWWE consist of 4 basic elements, the so-called containers that contain all the other page elements. They are navigation bar, where you will find the site menu and logo. Header, in which the banner is located. Body, containing the entire content of a given page. Footer, where the contact details are most often located. You can add other widgets to the page from the left side panel. Let's start with columns, to which you can easily add other elements. After placing them on the page, you can choose how many separate columns the widget will consist of and specify how to display the elements inside. To do this, go to the Widget Styles and in Position tab, choose how to align the elements added to the columns. Add an area widget to the columns that you can use to style multiple items at once. To edit its size, go to the Widget Styles and select Position tab. Use percentages to be sure that the widgets will adjust their size to the size of each device screen. The position of each element can also be set using the positioning grid. You will learn more about their operation by watching our next tutorials. Knowing the principles of positioning will definitely make your job easier. Add a header widget to the area. In the Settings panel on the left, select the heading level. To edit the header text, double-click on it or use the Edit button. In the Widget Styles, you can change the size, color, type, and many other font options. This looks much better. You can add a text box using the Text widget. Place them in the Area widget following the green bar below the header. Then both elements will be correctly displayed on the page relative to each other. Edit the text using the Widget Styles or the text editing bar that appears above the text. Pictures on the page are added via the Image widget. After clicking the green Add Image button, you can upload images from your computer or use the available libraries. To adjust the size, go to the Widget Styles and change Properties in Position tab. In the side panel, when you click the Button widget, you'll find lots of ready-to-use buttons. Put one of them on the site. In its settings, you can edit the displayed text and the link to which it will lead. In Widget Styles, in the Position tab, you can change the size of the padding, that is the distance inside the element, or margin, that is the position and distance of the widget from other elements on the page. If you want to change the button's shape, adjust the border radius by selecting Widgets Frame on the widget graph. There you go! Always add new content on the website in the body container. To do this, click the plus icon and select the Section tab. Now you can place any widgets in it, but it's best to proceed by adding columns or area. To efficiently manage all elements included in a given structure, use the hierarchy bar at the bottom of the page. It shows which widgets are included in the other widgets. You can also navigate between the widgets inside the structure using the arrows on the keyboard. To copy the widget, select what you want to copy from the navigation bar. Right-click and select Copy. Then select the area where you want to paste the copied content, right-click, choose Paste, and place the element with the drag and drop function. If you want to check how your website looks on other devices, you can use the Device Selection panel. Changes made to the desktop version of the website affect its mobile versions, so check the website's appearance on other devices and adjust the appearance of the widgets if necessary. You already know the basics of the BOWWE Builder. Come back to this tutorial as many times as you need to master them. Also, take a look at our other tutorials that will guide you through the entire tool and teach you how to use BOWWE to perfection.